Gala. All right, this thing is looking very, very good. All right, we're gonna go over this chart here in a second. I stacked up some more Gala the other day, in case I don't get another chance to do it. Like I went over in the last video I did, Gala bull run price. If you haven't seen that, please go watch it. I totally believe in that. I've learned to believe in these fibs. They just they amaze me time and time again how well they work. All right, the price targets always seem to work out. So, Gala gets anywhere around there, I will be a happy person. So, we'll see what happens. I've seen too many tokens go from 2 cents, 4 cents the last bull run to over $3 to 3.50. You name it. I seen it. It was crazy. I seen stuff go from a tenth of a penny to 85 cents. So it happens. It just happens. FOMO kicks in, and these things go high, a lot higher than you think they can. It's unbelievable. So Gala Games, that's one of those ones. All right, now this thing could have a big push coming here pretty soon. So that's why I wanted to get stack some more up before it happens. Like I said, might not get that pullback. So we'll take a look at this chart here in a second. I want to show you what's going on with the rest of the market here. Obviously, everybody was watching Bitcoin this morning. This thing ended up breaking up through the 702 fib level here. Let me get on a daily so you can see a little bit better. There you go. That green line right here was the 702. Came up here and hit the 786. Right now it's working on that. That's at $71,000. We break through there. All right, the next target is up here, close to $82,000. All right, so that would be a 1618. And on the daily, the RSI is just turning up, the relative strength index. On a 3-day, we have 2 3-day green candles, and this thing was correcting. That ought to show you Bitcoin's got some strength going here. All right, never ceases to amaze me. Did a video. We kind of expected this thing to hold. It just looked too good. You had that daily RSI reset, and Bitcoin was just looking strong. So that's why another reason we got into some longs this morning and over there in the Discord. If that's something that interests you guys, we have a level 3 membership for $14.99. You get the Discord link, plus you get 22 videos, 9 hours of videos to teach how to chart, how to look for price targets for the bull run. All that stuff is in there. You got to learn something. Please don't go through this bull run blind. That's the mistake you make. You have no clue where the price will go, so you keep riding it out, and then you get hit of resistance, and you lose 50% of your profit. So, just please learn something out there. Don't go blind. It's like the worst thing you can do. All right, so let's move over here, show you the bubbles real quick, and then we're going to get back to that Gala chart. All right, look at that. What a day. What a beautiful day. As soon as I'm done here, I'm heading back over to start trading some more. Got to take advantage of these days. I love these days. You get excited. A lot of stuff out there. Veracity's forming a wedge. A lot of stuff out there building up for some moves. All right, I think it's probably going to be a pretty decent week for crypto. And we'll have our red days. We always, you can't avoid them. You're going to have them. That's just the way it goes. All right, so if we look in here on Gala, all right, let's go into daily. Zoom in a little bit here. Please hit the like and subscribe. I'd appreciate that, guys. I always forget to say that. You can see here we had resistance here on the left. This yellow resistance line slanting down. We have broken that, and we're starting a move up here. Okay, the daily RSI is just turning up for Gala. You have your 3-day, turning up. That's the Discord. I apologize. It's turning up. You got 2 green 3-day candles, plus you have your 3-day just about to turn up. It's over top of the moving average down here too, so it is looking good. On the weekly is bearish. That can turn right back up though with some moves here, and you got your monthly bullish 77 and a 63. Now if we look at some possible price targets here, All right, we got, if this here is a wave 1, 2, which it sure looks like it to me, an Elliott wave, all right, it's probably a bigger move in here. This is on a weekly time frame. You probably have 5 waves in here, a corrective move, and then 5 waves starting here. But this whole move with the trend-based fib, and this is on a weekly chart, okay, it would, that's up around 12 cents. Okay, that's the target this move here would give. That would be 5 waves up here. And if we zoom in a little bit closer on a daily, all right, and take a look here. All right, now you can start seeing these wave formations a little bit better here. Okay, if we zoom right in here on this move here, pull this down a little bit. All right, you can definitely see the waves now. Okay, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5th wave coming in here. Okay, what kind of target would this give it right here with this set of moves here? Let's take a look and find out. Right about the same. That's 11.3. So you have the other one saying 12, this one's saying 11.3, and we have one more to compare it to. Okay, the regular Fibonacci. This is how you look for a wave 5 target. This one says roughly 11. Okay, so yeah, between 11 and 12 cents here as a target for a 5th wave coming up. As long as we get that, nothing is guaranteed. Okay, that's one thing with crypto. Do not, there's never guarantees. All right, but if things are lining up right and looking matching together, then chances are that's where things are going. All right, that daily RSI, like I said, turning up. That 3-day is just cranking up here. So you have all the big time frames that are bullish. Except that weekly, right? We do have that bearish weekly that we're going to have to deal with here, which that looks on the regular RSI down here, that is flattening out, and it's still above the moving average down there. So Gala game is looking good. All right, this move up towards the 11-cent range, that will be let's see from where we're at. Let's put a measurement on that. Well, we'll just go with right there. We'll just click it. All right, that's a 60% move up there. So that's wow, yeah, that's a pretty decent move. So for every $1,000 you have in Gala, that's a $600 profit for every $1,000. That's a decent move. That's a bull run move right there. I love these. If we clear through, here's going to be your areas of problem if we have any. The 0.072 to 0.075. That's your 618 and 702. You want to keep an eye on those levels. Those are the areas that tend to give you problems. All right, either ABCs come in there, or a lot of resistance usually comes in through this area. If we get above 0.076. All right, I would consider that it made it through that resistance and it's heading up towards 11. All right, so we'll keep a tight eye on this, but Gala game is looking good. The whole market looks great. Thank you guys. Consider becoming a member. We'd appreciate that. We got 196 members now. That is incredible. Thank you so very much. I mean that. That's incredible. And I will talk to you guys very soon.